So a few days ago, I was in this exact area filming another video. And when I got home, I started to do some research on the area. And that's when I came across something not even did I look into, the Two Sisters Cave. And the more I looked into it, people, is the more I got curious. This cave has been closed for years.
Some says the 1692 earthquake split this cave. Others says the two sisters fled their slave master. But which one is true? And they were never seen again after that day. So you know, so I have to check it out for myself.
All right, so the last time I was here, I went straight, right? But this time I'm gonna take an immediate left. So, see a sign up here, Manatee Avenue.
Yeah, I really can't believe I walk past this place and I never know say a cave did around here. So, yo, there's so much thing in a Hellshire.
So we're gonna take an immediate left.
So the reason for the closure is because the Urban Development Corporation closed the attraction in 2014, officially citing low visitors number. So them never really get that much patron in the area. So
the cave is believed to be around 200,000 years and is a very important ceremonial site for the Taino people.
So the cave they bought from long time, way before me did even think about even born, right? And another reason for the closure is because them said it needed to be upgraded to improve safety and overall visitors' experience. So the caves have been closed to the public, although many people still trespass. So we are making our way to one of Jamaica's most mysterious places. Hidden beneath these cliffs is the Two Sisters Cave. Yo, this place is surrounded by history, a lot of history, legends, and plenty of unanswered questions.
Which way to go? Alright, this looks like the right way.
I not even know what I'm about to say. I don't know why I'm come down here alone. Jaja, let's just go with God, people.
Alright, so I guess this area was the parking area for the visitors.
I can just imagine when this attraction just began, people did just line up for go inside. But eventually, like most things in life, you know, things just fade out.
And this was the entrance to everything. So this seems to be a ticket area. What is this? There's a sign here. It says the Two Sisters Cave. All right. So probably one time business is booming, you know? But then they have to shut down. So they just come here, and in your money, and you get your tickets, and you know, then they say, yo, you can't enter. So, see what's going on. There's a door here. It's open. Not too much to make of anything right now. It has been closed down for years. The roofing is gone. Electrical, everything. Alright. I wonder if people still come around here. You know, people just basically just trespass. Just, you know, young people come to them thing. Anything is possible. This place is it's abandoned. Alright, so this would be, I'm guessing, the entrance to everything. So let's go. The stone road here. Let me just show you guys around the area before I continue the journey on the stone road. So I'm guessing this was a little, chill spot. See a few broken seats. Like I said, people, you can't expect that place closed down from 2014, right? Place is a mess. I wonder if they're gonna reopen it. Everything. I see some more chairs over there, but you can't tell the trees. It's surrounded. Some more over there as well. So you can definitely tell that this has been closed on for years. All right, so let's continue the journey. Let's take a look behind the ticket house. So this is how the back of it looks. All right, so back on the stone road. Another cactus. So basically show you guys the surrounding. Them did have something going right or something. So they managed, or something like this managed for sure though.
Not even know what to make of this place. No, which way may I go first? Don't even know.
Something is around that side. So there is a little building right here. So all right, before we go down there, see our next way right here. Our next path is right here. So let me just check this out first, and then we can go back that way. Some power lines over here. Some signs of the sea grape. And this cocoa loba, UV ferra. So I take it. Let me see if this was like the bathroom or so. See some old fridge. I take it this was basically the snacks area. Wow. So this was probably the snacks area.
Whoa, the whole area so rusted down, mashed down. The place is a mess.
With the fridge being here, probably yeah, this was like the snack area. And there's our next room over this side.
I don't know. It's probably used to be like a local office area. Anyone leave a comment in the comment section who used to go here so back in the earlier days. If you don't know what used to stay, just leave me a comment in the comment section. We can also let me know how was the experience like when it was actually open to the public.
I really want to go in here and know if nothing. Floors are weak or nothing. Alright. This is enough of this part. Alright, so some other seatings around this side. So like I said, this was probably like the lunch area. But they just come out and chill and can eat them snacks. So look a spot over here. So nice little view up here, so you know people. But because of the trees and everything, you can't really see the view, sea view right now. But this was a nice little spot. So that's where we came from, right there. So probably where them like cook the food and stuff like that.
I wonder if we can go over here, so you know, climb it, you know. Check if and see if the door can open. Everything good. Check on the door and see if you can get through.
See if it's open. It's locked. After so many years, still locked. Alright. So I'm gonna show you guys how the inside looks. Alright. Nothing much to see. Alright. Cold stove. Seems like this area. Alright, so there's another building on that side. What is? What are these rusty out? Oh, so this was the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's locked. Why this locked now? Can't dare and check out the inside. Bathroom. So that one that we just came out of was the female. You can see right here. It's the male bathroom. We're not going here, so. Alright, so. Some more building on the property. Check it first, you know. Alright. Hello? Is anybody in here? It's all big back TV. So tile on my lift up. I don't know what happened here. Over the years, the place is messed up. One time when I see them TV, room.
So based from the other places that I come from, this seemed like it was the office space at one point.
All right. All right. So over that side, you can see like there's a little section that probably people could just walk off of the road and just come up here. So them probably wouldn't have to take like the entrance that I took because probably the fencing around the other side and them, you know, them rusted on and stuff like that. But let's just continue the journey, people. Let's go back around the area, that the main attraction area. So I'm right back at the entrance. So I see a sign that says watch your head and step. Or the rest of it in Spanish. We don't know Spanish people. All right, so let's do this. Slippery when wet. No climbing on the rails. Watch your step. People, can you see down there? All the way down there? That is where we're going. That is exactly where we're going. I can't believe. People, me alone. If anything was to happen to me, well, you'll know if I made it out safely. Because you'll be watching the video. All right? So, now go with God. So, let's follow me, guys. All right. So, taking these steps all the way. Have a check. What? Your son? Jesus. Alright. Still safe. Still safe. I go with the grace of God. We are going with the grace of God. So we are met with two directional areas. I don't know whether to go right or left. I don't know. Hear some sounds. All right, we could go on the left side first.
I have to make sure I'm check everywhere before I step because the place is completely rotten down.
So there's another way down here. So people, to be honest with them, not even know if we want to go that way there. Right? Peer drunk over that side there. I not even want to discover nothing. I swear to God, I do not want to go on that side. The furthest I probably go along the right or the step right there. So. But this look like a place where anything is possible, right? And me no want to discover nothing at all down here. So farthest me I could probably go, I like right there so, and then that's it. I can't manage. The place I broke where everything does over time. Just so I kind of understand why the place has been closed down for so long, and then I kind of, you know, rejuvenate the place up again. Keep you up, you're wicked. See, Pure drunk down there, so people. I swear to God. Hold up. Yo, comment in the comment section if you think I made the right decision. Hold up on the railing then. Structures feel weak still, you know. Can't really make no heavy move. Alright. No climbing on the rails. No plan for climbing on the rails, cause sleep on the rails then. Alright, let's go.
I know I'm afraid. Yeah, yo, afraid.
Some stone step here.
Yo, if none of this broke out with me, you know, nobody now find me, you know. Nobody now find me if this broke out with me. So me have to mind which part me I walk.
So see how far I come from. Actually coming from up there.
People, every step I make, you know, every step of my heart does a beat fast, right? Got the place just rocking down. Me I tell you, every step I make, you hear like a squeak sound, right? So me have to go through here, so right now, oh me I got squeeze the right, so I have to make it work, you know. I have to make it work. I try a thing, people. I try a thing.
Can still say, what is breakaway? What? I could try. Can tell to them I get whole. So I guess these are the type of things that they were saying that there was a bit of a safety risk and issues with stuff like this. So if this was to probably like open back again, all of this would have to be sorted out, right? Alright.
Watch it, you see that? As I'm telling the people, me have to mind on me a step.
Put that too much weight on it.
I don't want to put too much weight on nothing at all because I'm tell people, me I tell you, it was one slip, I'm gone.
Right away we can see a big crab up there, so Ajay. So we're going all the way down there.
So this is just one section of the cave. People may be honest with you, I don't know if we can make it to the next section of the cave. I'm saying the other section would have been like where you can go down to the water and you know people just used to come and relax. So this section would basically be where you can just look out for the railing and just look down at the water, but you can't really go into the water in this section. But I tell them, I think I have the strength to go on the next side. Yes, God is the greatest, but make it on the flat. Make it down. You don't look too bad still. My only problem is, so me have to go head up back again. But no, you look alright, man. I'm glad don't you never dark, right? I'm glad say light a shine from up above. Right, so this is it, people. This is in basically one section of the cave. Two Sisters Cave. This is it. Guys, drop in the comment in the comment section, right? Did you enjoy this adventure? Right? Right. Tell me if you're not afraid for me, because I'm not really afraid. Whoa. See some little crab in the water. What people used to come to the water, yeah? Jaja. People used to come to the water and just swim. Oh, sir. I don't think I pay my hard-earned money and come down to a place like this. You never know still if them really and truly fixed up again. You know.
So, make it down to the cave. Now I have to make it all the way up again. People see what I have to go through for YouTube. Make sure to leave a like on the video, people. Alright? So, we're not going to show you all the way up because it's come down already. So, guys, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and, show me the support. I'm not going to say, drop a comment in the comment section if you see me do more videos like this, because this was a really scary situation. So, let's not do this again. Alright? So, guys, until next time, to drop our next video. Peace.